Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Carbon Credit Trading Scheme for Decarbonization. The Ministry of Power and Ministry of Environment will develop Carbon Credit Trading Scheme for Decarbonization. The government plans to develop the Indian Carbon Market or ICM. A national framework will be established at ICM to decarbonize the Indian economy by pricing the greenhouse gas emission through trading of the carbon credit certificates. Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power along with Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change are developing the carbon credit trading scheme for this purpose. Now, information about the new avatar carbon credit trading scheme. This scheme will enhance the energy transition efforts with an increased scope that will cover the potential energy sectors in India. For these sectors, GHG emissions intensity benchmark and targets will be developed, which will be aligned with India's emissions trajectory as per climate goals. The trading of carbon credits will take place based on the performance against these sectoral trajectories. The ICM will develop methodologies for estimation of carbon emissions reductions and removals from various registered projects. It will stipulate the required validation, registration, verification, and issuance processes to operationalize the scheme. Monitoring, reporting, verification or MRV guidelines for the emissions scheme will also be developed after consultation. The ICM will facilitate achieve the NDC goal of reducing emissions intensity of the GDP by 45% by 2030 against 2005 levels.